Welcome to the Reputronomy podcast. I'm Jeffrey, your host. Today, we're going to talk about something that's incredibly important for small businesses: SEO and online reputation management. Two key strategies to boost your business's visibility and credibility online. In this digital age, it's crucial to stand out from the competition and make sure potential customers can find you easily. So let's jump right into it. First, let's briefly discuss what SEO and online reputation management are. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the process of improving your website's visibility on search engines like Google. The higher your website ranks in search results, the more likely it is that people will click on your link and visit your site. On the other hand, Online Reputation Management stands for Online Reputation Management, or ORM for short. This involves managing your business's online presence, including reviews, social media, and your website, to create a positive image and improve your credibility with potential customers. Now that we know what they are, let's dive into some tips and tricks to help you make the most of the SEO and the online reputation management for your small business. After all, that's why we're here. Number one is optimize your website for search engines. To rank higher in search results, you'll need to optimize your website with relevant keywords, meta tags, and well-structured content. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, as Google prioritizes mobile-responsive websites. Also, keep your site fast and user-friendly by compressing images and reducing the use of heavy scripts. Second, create valuable content. If you checked out my previous episode, content is king. When it comes to SEO, it's the same thing. Regularly publish high-quality blog posts, articles, and other resources that address the needs and interests of your target audience. This not only helps with search engine rankings, also establishes your business as a credible source of information. Third tip, manage your online reviews. Reviews are a significant factor in online reputation management. Encourage happy customers to leave positive reviews on platforms like Google My Business, Yelp, and Facebook's Meta. Be sure to respond to both positive and negative reviews professionally and promptly, as this demonstrates that you care about your customers' experiences. Don't forget that. The fourth tip, engage on social media. Social media platforms are an excellent way to connect with your audience and showcase your brand's personality. Share valuable content, engage with your followers, and respond to questions or concerns. This will help build trust and credibility with your audience. And here's a bonus tip. Monitor your online presence. Keep an eye on your online reputation by regularly monitoring mentions of your brand on search engines, social media, and review sites. Use tools like Google Alerts or Mention to stay up to date on any discussions involving your business. This will help you address any potential issues and maintain a positive image online. That's it for today's episode. I hope these tips and tricks help you boost your business's visibility and credibility online. Remember, the key to success in SEO and online reputation management is consistency and the continuous improvement. Keep learning and adapting to the ever-changing landscape in the digital world, and you'll be well on your way to online success. But don't forget, if you feel daunted or overwhelmed by this, feel free to reach out to us here at Reputronomy. We have dedicated teams of experts that are handling the monitoring, managing, and the maintenance of the online reputation you have for your small local business. Till next time, hope to hear from you soon. Be safe.